Excuse me, do you know how to get to the beach?
Yes, it's just down this path and then take a right.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
No, it's only a 10-minute walk from here.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day at the beach.
Hi there. Can you recommend a good place to eat around here?
Sure, there's a great seafood restaurant just down the street.
Oh, that sounds perfect. What's it called?
It's called the Crab Shack. They have amazing seafood.
Thanks. I'll have to check it out. Do they have vegetarian options too?
Yes, they have a few vegetarian dishes on their menu as well.
Awesome. Thank you for your recommendation. Hi, I'm interested in booking a tour of the city. Can you help me?
Sure, we have a few different tours available. What kind of tour are you looking for?
I'm interested in seeing all the historical landmarks and monuments.
Okay, we have a tour called Historic City Tour that covers all the major landmarks. When would you like to book the tour?
How about tomorrow at 10 a.m.?
That works. It costs $30 per person. Can I get your name and phone number to book your spot?
Sure. My name is Emily and my phone number is 652 to 323.
Great, thank you. You're all set for tomorrow's tour.
Hi, I'm looking for a hotel in the area. Can you recommend any?
Yes, we have a few hotels nearby. What's your budget?
I'm looking for something affordable, around $100 per night.
Okay, we have a hotel called the Inn that fits your budget. It's located just a few blocks from here.
That sounds good. Can you tell me more about the hotel?
It's a small, cozy hotel with clean rooms and friendly staff. They also offer free breakfast.
Perfect. I'll take it. Can you help me book a room?
Absolutely. I'll call them now to reserve a room for you.
Hi, what kind of activities are there to do around here?
Well, we have a lot of outdoor activities like hiking, kayaking, and zip lining.
That sounds fun. How do I sign up for those activities?
You can sign up at the front desk of the visitor center over there. They have all the information and can help you book your activity.
Okay, thanks for letting me know. Is there anything else to do around here?
Yes, we also have a few museums and art galleries if you're interested in culture and history.
Great, I'll have to check those out too. Thanks for your help.